friends! I'm very excited that I just received my order and I can't wait to share it with you. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk Edition mouse. I don't like much its color, but I like that it's wireless. I already have a wireless mouse, which is this one, and this is good, but we'll check this one. So friends, let's open it. What's inside? Oh, let's check inside. Can you see that? They're both yellow. And this one is a mouse dock. So used for charging this. And then let's check this first. So this part here, the finish is matte. And then that part is where you can put the USB dongle. And then at the back here, what is this one? So you can remove this, and then this one is sticky, this part here. So if you put it somewhere, it will not slide. And then, can you see that clear plastic all around here at the base? So that part will light when you plug this. I see that at the back. See? Seems there's a light. And then, let's check the mouse. Wait. So, what's on this mouse? The texture is something different compared to the other Razer mouse. You can feel the coating here. Well, I think that's the effect of the yellow coating, but it's not a big deal for me. And then what's written here? It's a tag here. And then, yeah, there are marks here. Can you see that lines? And seems this is a small target something. There is a Cyberpunk written. I don't know Cyberpunk. I'm not a gamer. And then there's a logo here. What else? So check this part here. The cutting part here is different. And then this part is glossy. The scroll wheel is also different. There is different color on the sides. And then, so on this side, I like the grip here. And then there are two buttons here, and also on the other side it's the same. And in front here is nothing special. And also here. And then let's see the back here. What's here? You can see the USB dongle here. Let's remove it. There it is. And then let's put it back. So this mouse is a 20K DPI optical mouse, The more higher the DPI, the more precise it is. And then let's try to open to see the lighting effect of the logo here. It's like that. So, well, in opening, only this part has light. And I have another Razer mouse, which is this one. I'm going to review all my Razer mouse on my future video, so I hope you will subscribe to see more of my videos, and I'm already thanking you in advance. So that's all for now. I'm Marie. This is your Friends Tech. Thanks for watching.